Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox Obby. First, launch Roblox Studio and choose a classic baseplate template to begin your project. Take a moment to explore the interface, locating key tools like part and anchor. Anchoring your parts is crucial. It ensures your creations stay firmly in place, preventing them from falling through the map. You'll use the part tool extensively to build your initial platforms and obstacles, laying the groundwork for your exciting course. Now, let's design some engaging obstacles. Experiment with different part shapes like spheres, wedges, and cylinders to add variety to your course. You can introduce moving platforms or rotating hazards using basic scripting or by inserting pre-made models from the toolbox. For challenging elements, create kill bricks by setting their can collide property to true and adding a simple script to damage players. Remember to place spawn points and checkpoints strategically, guiding players through your obby. To bring your obby to life, you'll need some basic scripting. Lua is the language used in Roblox, and even simple scripts can make parts move or change color. The Explorer window helps you navigate your game's hierarchy, while the Properties window allows you to customize every detail of your parts. Grouping parts into models keeps your workspace tidy and manageable. Most importantly, test your obby often. Playing through it yourself helps you discover any glitches or areas needing improvement. Finally, it's time to test, publish, and share your creation. Play through your obby multiple times, ensuring the difficulty is balanced and fair for players. Gather feedback from friends or fellow developers to refine obstacle placement and timing. Once you're satisfied, publish your game to Roblox directly from Studio, making it accessible to millions of players. Don't forget to share your new obby with the community and celebrate your accomplishment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.